I'm in the empire business.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Geek Studios. Today we'll be learning how to design a business flyer using Microsoft PowerPoint. The first things that we need to identify when we're actually designing a business flyer may be assembled from the internet. In this case, we'll need a picture of a woman. She's looking at a phone, maybe in an office, or whatever, and we will have to have a vector of a QR code, which you can get using your social media platforms, just in case you want a customer to scan the code and it should take them to your social media platform for the business. And we have vectors here for conduct. We have a phone conduct, an email. We have a phone vector, an email vector, and a globe vector, which represents the website. We also have certain icons for an idea, which is a globe, a speech bubble, and I really cannot clearly see what is that, but we'll just see what we put. And I think that's all that we're gonna need. So right now, we will open our Microsoft application and click on a blank presentation. This is the display that we're gonna have when we click on the blank presentation, and we have to look at the the page orientation of the flyer, and as we can see, it's a portrait. It's in portrait orientation, and to access that, we say design. We click on design, and we click on slide size, custom slide, and we click on portrait, and it looks like an A4. We click on A4 paper on slide sized 4, and we click OK. Just click on and show feature. We have a portrait sized and A4 orientation right there. So what we have to do now is right click on the slide on your left, and we go to layout and go down and find blank and click on blank. So first of all, we have to identify the color of the background from how you actually format the background. As this color is navy blue, we go to design tab, click on format background. This window is gonna show yes it's solid, and go to the bucket icon and go to more colors and click on the custom tab. The custom tab, you drag this cross like cursor and put it at the navy blue paint, and then drag this arrow on your right to show the color that you actually going to click on. It shows on the upper half of the square. So we're looking for a navy blue color. We click on OK when you have found our navy blue color. And what else do we have now? We have from the background, we have a yellow color of shaped like behind the picture. How do we insert the? I feel like those are actually rectangles. We go to the insert tab and click on a rectangle. That's gonna be a rectangle type of shape, and rotate it to that size, and adjust the size using the circles on the edges of the circle. of the rectangle, I'm sorry. So we have actually two of these rectangles from our poster or flyer, and rotate this one also to that. We almost have a similar gold colored shape behind our photo. So what we have to do is highlight both rectangles using the control button, holding the control button and to select both of them, and go to the bucket on your right, that appears when you have clicked on format background. You go to the bucket icon to click on the color, or the gold color. Sorry about that, I think I might use gradient. After gradient, we have preset gradients. We have a gold color there. I press in the middle, on the middle of the darker gold and the lighter gold, and click on the dark gold, and remove it using that cross, that red cross there, to have a gold color. And we have a line that we have to move. It's an outer line. We go to line tab here and click on no line. So we have a gold color right there, and you can adjust until it's actually the gold that you want. So we have a gold color right now behind, so we have to insert the picture. I have a picture of a woman in an office. Here it is, and this picture is in a circle shape. So we have to do is go to insert and insert a shape, a circle, adjust it until it's a perfect circle, and after that you come to your right window. You go to picture or text fill and insert. Click on insert from a file. You go to that specific file where you've stored the picture that you need. In this case, I've stored it on desktop, YouTube, PowerPoint. A picture. Here's a picture. There you go. I now adjust it using the offset until it's perfectly fine, and we have an outer layer of gold. We come to the line, a line, and look for a gold color using that pencil and a color underneath. We look for a gold color right here, and then we increase the width of the line, just like in our flyer here. There you go. Right. What else do we have? We have another shape down here. I'm going to copy this rectangle and put it down there. Copy, paste using destination theme, and put it down here. There you go. Whatever is outside of our page is not gonna display. We see this using the slideshow button at the top left, right here. To see our progress, here is our progress right now, and we are going to look for a QR code. We have to have a QR code in our here's a QR code, and drag it. You're gonna drag it to the taskbar where you have your application opened, the PowerPoint application, and drop it here. So our QR code is color white. So we have to come on our right window and click on the picture icon, and then picture corrections, and increase the brightness to max to make the picture white, and then adjust it using the corners until it's perfectly fine there. So we have a QR code. There you go. And now we have to insert contacts. Now we go to insert, use word art, and write contact now. After context now, you decrease the font size. We can do that here on our home tab and decrease the font size. We also have text effects on our contacts now. So what we have to do is go to text options on our right window and click on the text effects icon right here, and reflections. Remove the reflections by going to presets and click on none. So we don't have a reflections now. What color is this? Our color is gold. We look for the font color. We can also go to text options on our right and click on this first A and solid fill bucket icon, and then click on gold. So there we have contacts now. What do we have after contacts now? It has a colon, by the way, and then we have a line. We have to insert the line right now. A line. Excuse me, may I decrease the font here? Continue decreasing the font of the contacts now. It's too big. Decrease the font of contacts now, and then insert a line. You go to insert tab, shapes, and then insert the line and drag it like that. Drag it. Now we have to make it look straight. You adjust the line, and there you go. Make it gold shape outline, or you can come here. The line is color gold. We're gonna use this window a lot when we doing PowerPoint. It's on the right. It happens when you go to the design format background. That is how it appears. We use this window on our right for many functions right here. So we have contacts now right now, and then underneath we have a phone vector. You download a phone vector and drag it and put it here. Remove the background. How you actually remove the background is after you insert the picture, you go to picture formats tab. That's gonna appear when you've selected the picture, and remove the background. You click on remove background and mark areas to keep. The areas that are just like here, the signals, these two signals right now are not gonna show. So in order to show them, you mark them as areas to keep. Everything that's on the purple is not gonna show. Everything that's purple is not gonna show. There you go. Right here, nothing is showing except of the areas that I've marked. So now I'm going to go to the picture icon. I wanna make this white. I wanna make the vector white. I increase the brightness to max, so now my vector is white, and I adjust it and come and put it below, just like it is in the poster. By the way, this poster is a little bit up here. So our contacts now is a little bit up here. There you go. So now I have to insert the numbers. I go to insert word art. Same procedure of inserting text. I write the phone number plus 268. I write mine 78622239. Let me decrease the zoom. So there you go, and I make this white. I can also come here to adjust my text and perform specific functions, and there's no reflection. Text effects, reflection presets, none. I decrease the font size right there. Decrease until it's perfectly fine. What do we have also? We have an email vector, which we downloaded, an email vector. Same procedure, Picture format, remove background. Oh, this one has been removed for us. Better. And the color, it's color white. Increase brightness to max. Decrease font size. There you go. I'm gonna copy and paste this because I can just it's the same format. Copy, paste. This is our email. I'm just gonna write a random email. Just a random email. I'll use mg@gmail.com. There you go. We have an email right now. Our website is missing. Our website vector, we have a globe. I drag it and put it here. Remove background, picture format, remove background. We've also been selected. There's nothing to change. There you go. We decrease the size and make it white by increasing the brightness to max. Now we have a website icon. I'll just say I'll call this website mg.com also. I copied and pasted that, by the way, because it's in the same format. That's fine. So now we have to insert the text now. Take every, insert word art. We have take every in block letters. Take every in block letters. We're gonna make this white. Text options this side on our right menu. Solid fill. After solid fill, text options, solid fill, the bucket white. Text effects, there's a reflection that I'm seeing there. Presets, no, non-reflection. And then decrease the size. After I've decreased the size, let me pull this. Take every, and then insert chance. Now we have to have chance period. We have chance, and our chance is gold in color. Text options, gradient, find the gold gradient here and remove the reflections. Use the text effects. Presets, no reflections. I think we might as well change the format in this the font in this case, and just look for just a font that's similar to that one. We don't have much of the fonts. I'm gonna use this font. Take every chance and decrease a little bit. Take every chance. Insert another word art. Drop every fear. Drop every fear. This is gonna be white in color. We can use our text for adjusting our text. No reflections, and then drop every home, and just look for a lighter font because this looks like a drop every. Decrease the size. Drop every fear. There you go. Drop every fear. Then we have a line. You insert a line below drop every fear. just a gold line, color gold. Width, you increase the width because it looks a little bit thicker. Drop every. Yes, drop, and then it looks a little bit thicker right there. And then now we have I increase this font right here just like that. And then now we have an about us. We insert a text, insert word art. We'll use word art for inserting text. About us. I personally love this one with reflections, but it's fine. You can use any of those word arts. So about us, we have an about us which is color gold also. So we go to text options on our right menu, gradient, about us. What about the reflections? Remove the reflections. No reflection. About us, bolded. We have about us below here. About us, and then we're just gonna write text what this business is about. Going through the same procedure of inserting a text. So yes, what can we write this? What is this business about? We design flyers for small, medium enterprises. Okay, this is too big. Firstly, we have to decrease the font, and then justified. It looks justified on our poster. Maybe 3 lines. We design flyers for small, medium enterprises in order for their products to be marketed. We decrease the font right now. Decrease, continue decreasing the font. And then we have reflections, text effects, and then reflection presets, no reflection. They are products to be marketed, and looks smaller. So now we have to have a list using that uses a tick to list certain things. We'll just list here's a list icon. Remove the background so that we need the black parts of the picture, nothing else. We only need the black parts, so you mark the black parts, mark areas to keep. I'm marking the areas to keep right now. The black parts, I'm marking the black parts. The tick is completely marked, and now this is all we want, right? And let's increase the brightness to make it white. Increase the brightness to make it completely white, and reduce its size so we can list. What can we list? Insert text. Let's just say quality services. Quality. We deal with quality. Quality, and the color white. Text options, solid color, bucket icon, and then we click on white. Then we no reflections. The word art that we chose had reflections, and now we choose the size. Quality. Dealing with quality. What else are we dealing with? May I copy and paste this picture of a list, because we're gonna use it more, like 3 times. Maybe let's just use destination theme, and it looks big. Let's reduce the size, quality. We have quality, and copy and paste, and align it perfectly with that. And we have copy and paste this, use destination theme every time you copy. And quality, um convenient. What else can we say about our business? Convenient. Copy and paste this, copy, use destination theme, convenient, and what? Affordable. We are affordable. There you go. Let's see the progress of our flyer right now. There you go. We headed on the right track. So now we're gonna need providing a range of inserts. This is in line with our fear. So now we have providing a range of providing, we have providing as the only providing. We make this white, and no reflections, please. No reflections, text effects. Providing may I copy and paste this for a range may I copy about us, because it's the same color. Copy, paste about us, a range of, and just a range of. A range of what? Commercial. May I use this for commercial. Copy and pasted providing. So now I'm dragging this one to down here. Commercial. And this is gold, by the way. And this is gold. Commercial and residential services. May I copy and paste providing, so I can edit it to residential services. Residential services. There you go. I have it. And then we have just 3 circles. We have 3 circles which are gold in color. May I copy 3, and 3 circles right here we have, and just enlarge them to the correct size. It looks like an oval. And and they are all gold, by the way. These are all gold. We go to gradient presets and then put the gold color. We have them here. And now may we copy and paste commercial. Copy. So now we copy and paste commercial, and so that we can edit it, because it's also color gold. To the services we have here, we have creative idea, creative idea, and we have just a text underneath. May I copy and paste with design flyers here so I can edit that text. What can we say about creative idea? We evaluate creative ideas. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but I feel like that's what we can write. May I copy and paste this also? What if just inserted, copy and paste it here? Creative idea. What else do we have? Digital marketing. Digital marketing. Digital marketing. What else do we have? Maybe paste that text again. Those two texts we have. Business development. Business development. What can we write about business development? We develop ideas. That's all I can write here. But if there's a lot you can write on your flyer, you can add. Digital marketing. We market your product. We have icons inside. I have an idea icon inside my creative media, so I'm gonna just remove the background. It's color white, so I'm going to the picture, brightness, and put it there to make it white, and put it inside my circle. That's color gold. I have a speech bubble here. A speech bubble is found in insert shapes, and there you go. I drag it to the correct size, and we have a color of that. It's color white. Bucket icon. We have an outline that we have to remove, no line. There you go. And now here I think we can just put any icon or picture on business development. Remove the background. Whatever stays, we make it white. Remember, make it white. And then let's see the progress. Oh, we just have a logo here. What can we have? Let's have this again. Copy, but for your flyers you'll have the flyer of the business that you're designing for at the top corner. Done. We have a logo. So let's see our progress. Here is our flyer, just similar to the one that we were designing. So how do we save it? We save file, save as. This PC, we're saving on this PC. I'm gonna use desktop to save my file. You can the first thing you do is just saving your file, the project itself. So I'm gonna save the project as the flyer. This we are supposed to do when we start actually designing. So I'm gonna save the file now in my desktop, and now I'm saving the design itself, which is the picture, as a JPEG. Where is it? On my desktop as a picture. I'm saving it as a picture. Do I want to replace? Yes, I have a flyer that I have to replace there. Let's see, is it saved? Flyer. This is the one that we were designing, and this is the one that we have designed. There you go. We have designed a flyer for a business right there. So basically this video is all about how to insert text using the word art in our insert tab, and also inserting shapes here, and also using this window that shows when you click on format background in our design tab. So yes, you click on this, and this is the window that we're gonna use throughout our design. We're using it throughout. That is for adjusting and also editing our shapes and text. So thank you for watching. May you kindly like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much.